Hi, hello, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show you how I create waterproof stickers, and it took me a while to find a way to make them waterproof, but more on that later. So I will create one design so that this video won't be too long. Hopefully I will show you how I design in Procreate, then how I set up the stickers in the Silhouette Studio, how I make the cut lines and all the settings and everything, and I will show you what I use to make them waterproof. But first let's work on the design. These are the sketches that I did, and at the end I decided to make two tulips, so this one I like the best, and for the colors I'll be using pinks and yellows, or maybe orange and pink. I'm not sure yet. I will see what will work better. And now I'm gonna take a photo of this and then I will turn it into a sticker. So I'm in the Silhouette Studio, and first I open up all the stickers. So I save them as a PNG file without a background. So I separately put them all in and scale them down to 65 millimeters. That's how big I want my stickers to be. So I do that for all the stickers. Okay, the next thing I do, I remove the red outline. So I just select the red line and I select no line. Now I try to fit as many stickers as I can on this one page. And of course, if your stickers are a bit smaller, you can fit more of them. If you want bigger stickers, then you can fit less. Once I set them all up, I go to Trace, select Trace Area, and go over the page, and I bring the threshold until all the stickers are covered, and then click Trace Outer Edge, and go to offset and offset, and the distance I put 1.5 millimeters for the outline, and apply. And then I click on the first line that we make and click delete to remove it, and it removes it from all the stickers at once. And then I just arrange the stickers a bit if I put them too close to one another. If I need to fix some of the selection, I just double click on the cut line. If it's on the inside of the sticker where I don't want it to cut, I just double click and then delete the point that I want to delete. So with the tulips, I didn't want it to cut them separately, I just wanted them to be together, so I just deleted all the dots on the inside. The sticker paper that I use is from onlinelabels.com, and it's the Weatherproof Matte White Inkjet. And then I laminate the stickers with the Fellows laminating pouches, and the thickness is 80 microns. You don't want to get too thick laminating pouches because then the stickers will be too thick, so I think this is okay. The stickers finished printing, and I printed them on the matte setting. I like the colors the best that way, and I managed to fit in 10 stickers here on this one sheet. And now I'm gonna let this completely dry, even though to the touch it really is dry already, but it's recommended for inkjets to let the inks settle in for at least 1 day, so I'm gonna do that, and then I will show you how I laminate them. Okay, now I take one pouch and now I'm gonna actually cut this and use only one and not put it in like you would when you want to seal a document or something. So I'm gonna cut it so it doesn't go on the whole page, but I'll cut it something like this, and then I will also cut out with the X-Acto knife so it doesn't cover the cutting lines, so the silhouette can detect it. I'm gonna cut this where the edge is sealed, so that will be here. And then just a little bit on this side. Alright, that will be fine. So now I will take just one. This one I will save for later. Make sure to remove any dust or hairs. And then I cut this so it doesn't cover the registration marks. It doesn't have to be neat. I will just make sure again that there are no hairs. And now I will fit this through the laminator. It should say that it's warm, so the green light should turn on when it's ready. And now I'm just gonna laminate this as you would, and just make sure to hold it really tight. Okay, they finished laminating. I put them through the laminator twice just to make sure that everything is nicely sealed. And now I'm gonna let this cool and actually leave for one day. I will not cut the stickers right away because what can happen is the lamination can peel off if you cut them too soon. So I will go back tomorrow and then I will cut them with the silhouette, and I will show you the settings that I use for cutting them. Okay, now we just need to cut this. And I will just align this. It's an A4 paper, and stick it really well. Not on the first, but on the second line. I go to send, then line, and I select cardstock glitter for the material, and it passes 2 times, so I know that the stickers will be cut right through. And just I click send, and that's it. Ta-da! It looks super cute. So I'm done with the stickers. I will show you up close how they look like. They're not too shiny because the sticker paper is matte and the lamination is glossy. Also, that makes them waterproof, so if you have an inkjet printer and your ink smudges, it worked for me. But if you just need to be careful because with the lamination, they actually advise you not to cut them before you laminate because it can get stuck in the laminator. But I just make sure to really hold the laminating sheet when I just go through it so it doesn't lift and get stuck. So just be careful with that. For my inks, they were smudging, so I tried a bunch of different things. So I tried the UV fixative, it didn't work. Laminating with one pouch, 2 sticker papers at once, it didn't work. And now just with cutting the one pouch and using one side at a time works the best. I hope this video was helpful, and please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos from me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.